Candidate number 1. Miss Rusi Idia from Amansabina, Bangaldan, Pangasinan.
At the age of 17, my dad was convicted to a crime he never intentionally did. At the age of 22, my mom passed away, fighting for my dad's liberty and at the same time because of a disease. My dear friends, I was about to give up in life, but I am here standing in front of you, proving that no matter how difficult life is, we, the members of the LGBT community, should stand and voice out our advocacies at the same time to be ourselves. Ladies and gentlemen, mahirap po maging bakla, pero ako'y lalaban, and I will be more than willing to represent the LGBTQI community. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, candidate number 1. And now let's hear the advocacy of candidate number 2.
As a member of the LGBTQ community, I was raised by criticism and discrimination, not because of my gender identity, but also of my skin color. But ladies and gentlemen, I would like to help those who are depressed and those who do not appreciate self-worth and self-beauty. I am here tonight because someone believed in me and I owe it to them. Let us put a stop to stigma that black is bad and open up that black is beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, candidate number 2, Roxy Hans Leproso. Let's welcome our next candidate, Maria Elisia Balolong.
Last September 2018, I've lost one of the most influential person in my life, my dad, due to cancer. And just last December, I've lost my brother to a very tragic motor accident. I, Elisia Balolong, is standing here who experienced a lot of downfalls in life. I may be a stereotype gay or transgender that you see, but deep inside of me, I am living a life with a purpose, and that is to be an inspiration and to start touching the life of others. Depression doesn't have any face. It doesn't exempt you through your educational attainment nor your status in life. To anyone who may be experiencing depression in whatever reasons, please fight it. Let's be grateful, because not everyone experiences life this far. Life has a lot to offer, and it's a precious gift from God. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 3. And now let's welcome candidate number 4, Megan Castillo. And mind you, ladies, you only have 30 seconds for your advocacy.
Yes, I and my sisters are crying and in pain of discrimination. That's why my advocacy is to educate people that we also deserve respect. And how will I do that? Not just by words, but also with action. As a member of the Lingayen Gay Association, we have that outreach program that gave free feeding program and free school supplies to the children. I believe that in time, that little act of kindness, we will gain your respect. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 4. And now let's welcome candidate number 5. Your timer starts now.
At a very young age, I experienced discrimination because of my skin complexion. Some people called me Ita Negra, Encanto at iba pa. But I truly believe in myself that what I am right now is truly what I am. And being what I am is the best that I can be. And my advocacy is to influence, to be an inspiration to other people, that no matter what discrimination you accept from the society, all you have to do is to be yourself. Because people out there, they're just doing, they're just doing.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Next candidate, number 6.
Good evening. My advocacy is to find gender equality. I want to influence my co-LGBT to show to all the people that we The member of the LGBT has the best of both worlds, though we are known for being creative, talented, and heart-driven fashion, and exploring our individuality, as we possess the true sensibility of a woman that will touch the heart of every man. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you very much, Maya Makalanda. Next is candidate number 7, Sofia Marie Pasqua. Your timer starts now.
The number of out-of-school youth here in Binmaley continues to rise. It saddens me to think that today's youth are misguided and brought to the wrong direction. And I have seen a lot of dreams vanish and passion distinguished because of lack of support and guidance. That is why I want to advocate for the youth welfare and empowerment for Binmaley, because I always believe that the youth is always the hope in our society. Thank you.
Thank you. That was just exact 30 seconds. Sofia Marie Pasqua. Next, candidate number 8, Kendra Aki. Alright, your timer starts now.
Good leaders is our influence. We need the good leaders to help guide us and make the essential large-scale decisions that keep the world moving. Our society is quick to identify a bad leader, but how to identify a good one? What would make most people say makes a good leader? According to my research...
Thank you very much. Your time is up. Next candidate. Candidate number 9. Nichel Krex Manika. Your timer starts now.
To be here standing before everyone, rewarding recognition as I give a limelight to share an advocacy. It's serious to my heart. So please lend me your ears, ladies and gentlemen. With all the cruelty and violence that is happening right now, we really need to be a strong person so that we can overcome all of this. Thank you so much and good evening.
Thank you, Nichel Krex Manika. Next in line is candidate number 10, BJ De La Cruz. Your timer starts now.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Ang aking advokasya ay gender equality. Alam po nating lahat na tayo ay pantay-pantay, ngunit marami sa atin ang mapanghusga. Tingnan niyo po ako, isa po ako sa nalalait. Sinasabing baklang bato-bato, sayang ang lahi, sayang ang gwapo, ngunit ang lahat ng yon ay binabaliwala ko dahil bitbit ko po ang salitang gender equality. Dahil naniniwala po ako.
Thank you very much, BJ De La Cruz, our candidate number 10. Next welcome is candidate number 11, Leon Alta Moreno. Alright, your timer starts now.
Living my life as a transgender woman, I have known the importance and significance of education in someone else's life. That's why as a future educator, it just saddened me a lot that a lot of students out there are busy not on studying but ruining their future. So that as an advocate of education, I want to be that someone who's going to be there for them, and that someone is going to be their voice when I couldn't speak, their ears when I couldn't hear, and that someone was going to stand and fight for them.
Thank you very much, Leon Alta Moreno. Next in line is candidate number 12, Jody Marie Aquino. Your timer starts now.
Joining beauty pageants for almost 7 years is not just only for entertaining, but this is for something advocate equality, tolerance, and acceptance. If we could just able to tolerate when it comes to our religion, differences, cultural belief, and acceptance when it comes to sexual orientation, we'll have a better place to live in. And I believe that this is the time to open our hearts. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Jody Marie Aquino, candidate number 12. Next in line is candidate number 13, Claire Gutierrez. Your time starts now.
Where the diversity and equality.
we make someone to choose to everything that you want. Because we as a gay, we use our voice to influence the youth, and we also advocate that religion, believe in also the disabled, because we are not special. The important is disabled. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 13. And now let's welcome number 14, Iran Bautista. Timer starts now.
A while ago, I meditate and ask God what is the real essence of being a trans woman in this society. And God purposely sent me this message of love. If we showcase love to each and every one of us, LGBTQ community would not only be tolerated but understand. I believe that if we showcase love to each and every one, we will achieve peace and prosperity among humanity, among our country, as well as globally. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Iran Bautista. Next in line is candidate number 15, Joanna Santos. Your timer starts now.
I am against a society that offers discrimination. So by the usage of this platform, this pageantry, I would like to promote equality by means of spreading information about my wonderful community that, like you, we are also humans. Don't be afraid of us, that we are not aliens of the society. Thank you so much. Love should always win. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 15, Joanna Santos. Let's meet our next candidate, number 16, Shira Garcia. Your time starts now.
Being a member of LGBT Binmaley, I would like to convince all the people to accept the homosexual in this society. Because even though homosexual are like being discriminated, fortunately we're not stopped capable of sharing happiness. And that is to all the people here in the Philippines. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Shira. Next in line is candidate number 17, Samantha Rivera. Your time starts now.
When I was young, I'm being bullied, criticized by many people because of the gender identity that I have. But always remember that there are two loves existing: the love of man and the love of God. The love of God, all of us here in this world is equally perfect. There is no perfect in this world. And in this world, there's two guys, LGBT rights and also human rights. That's the rights. We have the right to express what we have, whatever humanity that we've got. And we have the right to respect, to accept, and to love by you guys. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Amanda. You still have 5 seconds. Next candidate, number 18, Patricia Asagon. Your time starts now.
Nasa inyong harapan po ang isang member ng LGBT na hanggang ngayon po ay marami pa pong mga tao na hindi po kami tanggap dito po sa lipunan. At ngayon po, nasa harapan niyo po kami upang kayo ay pasayahin at muling tanggapin. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, candidate number 18. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our 18 candidates on their free speech, delivering all their advocacies, of course, joining this competition. But right now, let's turn our eyes on that screen and let's watch an audio visual.